Nandito naman ako ngayon sa clean fuel. Pagkas na ako kasi alam na, biyahe na ulit. Walang katapos ang biyahe. Tahimik na tahimik ang makina. Napatune up natin to. Okay naman yung engine oil. Ano namang Sharon. Morning. Papaayos na ng kotse ngayon. Papatune up natin. Makikita natin dito yung pinaritan ko nung nakaraan kung maganda ba yung sunog ng spark plug. Langis pure naman ata ito. Pure na langis naman siya, wala namang harang tubig. Meron din, may tubig naman siya. Mare-refresh din yung ating throttle body. Sana maging okay na to. Yung aircon lang ang pinaproblema ko dito kasi sobrang init. Minsan talagang hindi yung lamig. Yung clutch ng compressor parang hirap na hirap. Para siyang dumudulas lang. Buwelo siya ng buwelo pero hindi tumutuloy. Ganun. Yung ating brake fluid yata to medyo mababa na sa maximum. Yan lang. Wait lang natin si master na dumating. Cold start, siyempre nausap. Sinisimulan na. Pinasukan na ng OBD.
Injector hindi na nagka-problema.
Wala naman mas. Pinalitan kasi dito yung hose nito lower na hose ng papuntang radiator mas. Hindi na ilagay doon ng maayos. Hindi na iskitan.
Hindi agas.
Wala ko nang pagpintado.
Ito? Lower?
Oo, dito sa may
Bakit yun ang may tagas?
pero wala akong napapansin.
Tumisirit lang.
Kaya nga. Tapos nung pagbalik ko ulit dito, hindi naman nila nahigpitan ng maayos yung isa dito eh. Buti napansin ko, nung nahigpitan ko naman, okay naman, hindi na tumataga. Higpit. Yuck. Pag mahinahin na ang tools naman, putol na.
Ilang alin na rin siya na papaluktot ko rito eh.
Talagang matigas. Ayun, tinatanong ko sa'yo ng master. Kasi napansin ko may langis eh.
Alin yung lock?
Oo, yung nag-chat ako sa'yo ng master. Pero hindi ko pa ginawa yung sinasabi mo. Bugahan ng
Wag.
cleaner eh.
Dito lang, huwag kang bubuga dito sa gitna.
Oo.
Map sensor yan, delikado eh.
Buti na lang. Buti hindi ko na lang ginawa.
Map sensor yan, delikado.
Kasi babiyahe ulit ngayong weekend eh. Tapos sa katapusan, babiyahe. Diyan nakalagay yung screw master
Ano to? IACB sa loob. Ito sa idle screw. Pero yun yun. Napapagod din ba? Sa Bella, kadalasang biyahe nito.
Oo, tapos dito na lang pag
Sa mga long ride, pahinga lang nito pagkakain din kayo.
Oo, tsaka pag ihilan sa endlek, yun ang inaano kasi talaga yung aircon nito eh. Pag sobrang tirik na tirik yung araw, sumasapay din eh.
Subukan mong paligtas yung evaporator. May bulb yun dun eh, so may evaporator.
Magkano pa
2,000. Lahat yun, package na yun.
Oo. Kumare, di ba, stoplight. O kaya pag traffic, abante ka. Normal ba talaga yun na pag inapakan mo yung gas, yung compressor magdi-disengage? Parang kumbaga hindi sasabay.
Ano ko, hindi dapat eh. Kasi magdi-disengage lang naman yan once na makuha nyo yung certain na lamig niya sa loob. Tapos yung cut-off niya, mga ilang seconds, mag-on ulit.
Sabi nito eh. Ito, huwag na rin nawakan yan. May dial yun eh.
battery yan. 49 to 51 tayo. Para hindi masyado mataas ang TPS. Ito mo konti ng lang, diba? Yan.
50.
Oo, sa clip lang.
Ah, pihit lang pala na gano'n.
Pero hindi basta pihit
Oo.
kasi minsan ang hirap pihitin. Pagka nakakabit na, ang hirap na eh. Calibrate eh, di ba?
Kaya kailangan talaga ng back
Oo,
push.
kasi baka ang problema nito,
Alright, test drive natin to, tol. Kung okay na ba to. Alright, stop over muna. Time check 11 o'clock. Tumula kami sa gasolinahan kasi umihi yung mga senior. So may ilaw ko rito. Hindi talaga nag-i-stop yun. Hindi nagkakaptap yun, ano? Perfect. Dire-diretso. Hindi siya nagkakaptap. Hindi na nare-reach. Ang malamig. Hindi na nare-reach. Piso pa. Gulong ng palad ang buhay. Gulong ng palad ang kanluran ang kapalaran. Yung naman mali yung makaring ay gulong na din gulong ng palad. Let's go!
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essentially grind is all in the mental. I don't think you understand what it goes through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity and I don't really need to mess with all the pain through. I've been making changes for the 5, 10 years. shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing.